Hey, we're taking montage video right here, right now. You see, we got to get different angles. We'll speed it up. I'll put commentary over it, which might actually be what I'm saying right now. See, I also got my own right here. It's a little bit different though. It makes me a bit more unique. You see, his has a hood, while as mine does not. All right. All right. Oh boy, man.
Dude, I might be too tall for this.
And they say Chipperly is dead. Zip it up. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, that's a nice ghost cosplay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Get the final steps on there. All right, looking good. Okay, can we get a good thumbs up? Awesome, okay. All right. There, can't forget the hat. Oh, the gloves. Almost forgot the gloves.
Not really that type of glove, but...
You see, we're dealing with Velveeta. That stuff's hazardous, okay? All right, there we go.
Look at him.
Right, that goes in the trash. Ooh, it's like random's under. I got a large because I'm large.
Holy shit, that might be bigger.
No, it is a little bit big, isn't it? Okay, let's see how this goes. It's like a really crappy Halloween costume. Alright, there we go. Alright, alright. Alright. Man, I feel like a new man. Zip it up. Okay, since we're dealing with some hazardous stuff, you see this? This is, I can't believe it's not butter. Alright? This is Velveeta. And this is the stuff, touch it with your bare hands. Cancer in a day. Alright. Gloves. Oops. Try that again. Alright. Gloves. There we go. DNA test will be negative. And complimentary thumbs up. Okay, here we go.
Everything you put in the hotel. My mother's just fit tinfoil.
How's a bad tinfoil?
So I got holes in it.
Dude, it's good. You see, we got some nice white bread, just like my complexion. Oh man, oh god, this stuff smells so... Alright, well, that's how you know it's great, when it smells awful. Okay. Do we want it with or without the plastic on it? Oh yeah, tweezer it, please. We want 2 slices. 2 scoops of cheese, please. Careful. Careful. Careful! Careful!
Oh god.
Oh my god. Come on. You know, science is an art. You don't have to be that stupid. Okay. Come on. Okay. I'm sorry.
It's like a nuclear reactor, man.
Okay. I'm sorry, overreacted. Okay. Don't rip the cheese. Rip the cheese. Don't rip. You're ripping the cheese. Oh my god.
Oh god.
What are you doing? Okay. Needs to be. There we go. Okay. Next cheese. That needs to. Try it again. Perfect cheese. Come on, baby. Baby, get the connection. Oh, there we go. Alright. I think we should just... Yeah, tweezers are the right job for this. It's alright. There we go. Here, we're gonna use our fingers, or are we gonna use, there we go. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, let me remove. Okay. There we go. I like it, I dig it, I dig it, I dig it. Alright. So you know it's good. You got your lucky imprints. Alright. Dude. I wish someone did that to my back. Oh, buttery. Oh yeah. Looks like me after a vacation down in the Bahamas. It's hot.
Spicy.
Keep it rolling. I have a potential for. Okay. Keep our heat in. We need a layer of our protective thermal film. Gonna fold it once. Give it a nice little sound. You know it's good tinfoil when it makes the greatest sounds. See, we're also an ASMR video. There. I got an excellent idea! Fill a hand with whipped cream. Like you grab one of these and you just go like this. You're catching this, cameraman? Okay, this is gonna be really weird, but if it pulls off right.
You gotta turn it upside down, or else it's just gonna be nitrous oxide.
Alright, nitrous oxide. That's laughing gas. Alright. Ooh, oh, God, feel it! Feel it! Oh!
Ooh.
Oh, ew. It's like a little alien child. Alien child.
Ah! This is a great fun tricky.
I can do another ASMR video. I'm going to kill my alien baby. Oh no, don't hurt me. Uh-oh. Papa Son did something. See, whipped cream can be a lot of fun. You just gotta get jiggy with it. cheese from the aluminum foil. Okay, we see melting of the cheese. That's a good part of a grilled cheese. Is that the cheese is grilled. Alright. And the smell is so Walmarty. Okay. So here we have one half cut perfectly. Let's see if it's melted. Alright. Ooh, that's looking melted. Okay. See? It's even a bit hard on the outside. That's good to see too. Alright. We'll see if it actually tastes good though, alright? It likes to stick to the roof of your mouth. And there's a really weird aftertaste. But the bread is crunchy. And I guess as definition to some people, it's hard to get down. This could be considered a grilled cheese. And from my professional opinion, I believe it was a partial success. It would be a 2 o'clock thumbs up from me, alright? You think so? Alright. It's just sad. Tasting. It's not tasty. It's weird. Nicely.